Hello, my name is Ben Redfern. I'm an applications engineer here at Maxim Integrated. Today I'm going to show you how you can collect voltage and current data easily and quickly using a MAX34417EVKIT to save you time in the lab when you need to evaluate the efficiency of your power supply. As you may know, this can be a tedious task. It requires recording the input and output power for all operating conditions of the design, which can be a serious amount of work when all you have is analog equipment. So how can the MAX34417EVKIT help? Well, it's a 4-channel voltage and current monitor with a specialized power accumulator function. It's a very useful device for tracking the power consumption of portable devices, but it also means I connect the EVKIT in series with my power supply and load, and since the EVKIT GUI is set up easily to extract the collected data, I can simply allow the MAX34417 to do all the work for me as I just step through the operating conditions. You can download the Evaluation Kit GUI from its webpage under Design Resources. Follow the steps in the setup guide if you need help installing it. Once it is installed, you should see the following. Next, plug the EVKIT into your PC USB port and make sure the GUI recognizes EVKIT connected down at the bottom right. Before you start logging data using the EVKIT GUI, you can make the following modifications. You can adjust the display channels you are using. You can make sure the max current allowed by the sense resistor is not being exceeded. You can adjust the polling rate. When you are ready to begin logging the data, simply check the auto poll box. Now simply just step through your testing procedure. With analog equipment, I typically start from the lowest input voltage and cycle through the full current range, then increment the input voltage and start again. I do this again and again until I reach the maximum input voltage. When you are done, go to File and save the stored data wherever you like. The data file will look like this. What I've done is simply pasted it onto a sheet that I formatted it for plotting the results. As you can see, with about a minute's data, I have a clear plot for the efficiency of the board I was evaluating. There you have it. Without using digital testing equipment, you can now collect voltage and current data in your lab using the MAX34417EVKIT as well.